Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Today, let's take a look at the 5 most heavily shorted stocks in the S&P 500. Who are they? Well, they are Under Armour, Nordstrom, Discovery, TransDigm, and Murphy Oil. Are any of these heavily shorted companies worth you and your money? Here now to answer that question, Erin Gibbs and Rich Ross. Erin, we could call these the most hated. Certainly, maybe the stocks people think are going to fall the most. Are any of them, though, a good contrarian buy? Not a short, a buy.
Yeah, so we like Discovery. So they own the Discovery Channel, Science Channel, all of those cable channels. Like a lot of these cable channels, they face a lot of competition from streaming services like your Netflix, your Amazons. But one thing that Discovery has been doing is really expanding their revenue base. They've opened a theme park in Costa Rica. They've discovered some new distribution with Sony, and they've also done some interesting contracts with Eurosport out in Europe. So we think they are a transition company. We do see some potential earnings growth going forward, and the valuations really are at 3-year lows. It's been very, very stable. So we see this as a good buying opportunity for where they are.
All right, good buying opportunity for Discovery. Rich Ross, any view on Discovery technically, or any of the other 4 names that are heavily shorted?
Yeah, you know what, Brian? What's great about this segment is that I came to Discovery as well on my own here. So the technical's in a very strong position. They back up Erin's fundamental case here. So clearly, when you look at this chart, there's a reason why it's been shorted. The shorts have been proved right. Stock's been cut in half. But for the last, let's call it 2 years, the stock's been forming a very nice rounded base of support that you can see on the chart. And more importantly, we have this ascending triangle with a pattern of higher lows and that horizontal resistance. This tends to be a continuation pattern to the upside. Let's call the neckline resistance 29.30. I think the stock's in a strong position to take out that resistance, and when it does, it will generate a confirmed buy signal. So the charts are with Erin's fundamentals, and I think the technicals suggest that Discovery is actually a long, not a short.
Wow. And I see what you did there. You came to Discovery. I appreciate that, Rich Ross. Erin Gibbs. Discovery, it's a name we're going to be watching now. It's on our radar. Thank you both very much. Folks, thank you for watching Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.